So we at the IKEA. Then we're gonna try out their food. Beef stew. Hi, hi. Pepsi Zero. And lemon tea. Elder flower, what is it? Elder flower, sparkling. Natural orange, raspberry, sparkling. It's pear and lemon, and dingo, apple berry for kids. Can you give me a... So we have kids curry. IKEA in Japan have a kids curry, and then they have regular curry. And the kids curry come with jello. And then we got sausage, karaage, chicken, rice, cake. Hey! And then Daddy got the beef stew. Oh my god. Look at this guy. And we have all you can drink drink. How is it?
Spicy.
Spicy? How is it, Daddy? That one?
It tastes like oxtail.
Oxtail. Look, kids curry.
What's that?
Sweet, very sweet. It's pretty good.
Damn, it's hard.
It's crunchy, so crunchy. And we're gonna try sausage. Very good, crunchy, smoky taste. Very good. Like so. Inside is something in there. You see that?
I don't know what that is. It tastes
It's like a bread though. What is the inside?
all over your face.
I don't know. Tastes like a soap.
Soap?
It's not really good. Like a rose. Huh. Like a rose flower taste. So overall, it's okay, but average. Like, it's okay, but like really good, no, not that good. I mean, karage was good.
It was okay. Not bad, not good, but
Yeah, average. Yeah. Meme, how was the food? How was the food? Peace. It's good. It's good. She likes it.